How to use AnyDesk Remote Application Tutorial 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another great and helpful video, and in this video we're going to be discussing on how you can use AnyDesk in the easiest, most simplest way possible, and how you can use it as your remote desktop application and how it can be great for your security and more innovative features. So let's basically get into the whatnots and the details of it. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to come here and you're going to go to their main website, which is anydesk.com. Now, once you're over here, obviously you can see AnyDesk has a great interface, pretty user-friendly, pretty nice. Here you can see access now, access any device at any time from anywhere, always secure and fast. So obviously we know that it's a desktop app and you can download it from right here. Just click on download now. And here it says, what is new? Discover professional user management with my.anydesk to scalable on and offboarding options and a multitude of security layers. Okay, and obviously there's two types of it, the AnyDesk 7.1 and the my.anydesk 2. Pretty great stuff. Then we can see it's trusted by over 120,000 customers with, all these different types of features. You can get it. And it's pretty great stuff. You can get all the different needs, like you have it runs in cloud or on premises. You have full mobile or mobile support, and you also have great flexibility and customization for yourself. So now, if you were to go and check the features, okay, there are tons of different features regarding the performance, customization, etc. So if you were to go here, features overview. So here we are, features that will boost your workflow. Now, obviously, before getting into this, know this, that when you get AnyDesk for yourself, they're going to have different trials. Okay, so here we can see we have two types of AnyDesk. You have your AnyDesk 1. If you already have an AnyDesk customer and did not migrate your user yet, please click here, or you can just use their open beta for the AnyDesk 2. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go ahead and download it and give you like a brief demonstration. Okay, so I'm going to go on downloads. Okay, now once we go on downloads, as we can see, we get tons of different options over here. We have the Windows option, Mac, Android, iOS, Linux. You have FreeBSD, Raspberry Pi, and you also have it as a Chrome extension. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go ahead and download it as a Chrome extension for myself. But what you can do is you can also just download it for whatever you want. So to get it on Chrome extension, just click on get it on Google Play. And once you do that, make sure you're going to come here and you're just going to click on install. Now, once you click on install, obviously what it's going to do is it's going to start downloading it to whatever device you have the Google Play on. Or again, as I told you, go on Windows, click on download now. And once you click on download now, it's going to start the download. Here we go. So just save it. And once you save it, there you go. Now we're going to click on it. We're going to run the setup file. And once you run the setup file, obviously, as you can see, there we go. So here we have it. Free license, non-professional use. Your address. This is your address, obviously. You can invite other people to this address if you want to. But yeah, this is your designated address. Make sure not to share it around with a lot of people. So what's new in AnyDesk 7.1? You can check those features out if you want to. You can also install AnyDesk on any device that you have. But yeah, this is basically your AnyDesk session master, and this is your address. You can basically copy this address, send it to other people. You can also invite other people, and here you can see send a session invitation to the following AnyDesk ID or alias. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. And then once you've sent invites, what you're going to do from there is then you're just gonna use those clients, and you can do any work regarding your local network messing around and different security measures. Now when it comes to the main features, as we discussed, we have access and control, we have administration and customization, we have security and privacy, and we have collaboration. Obviously in access and control, you can get the file managing, where you can manage data and files between two devices parallel to a normal remote session. Then you have the wake on LAN, where you can turn devices on from sleep mode while connecting to them remotely. And then you have remote printing, where you can print your files and documents from a remote device to a local printer from any location. Obviously you have tons of other things like desktop sharing, you have interactive access, okay, and then obviously you have unattended access, you have mobile device management, you have desktop sharing again, and much more. Then obviously there's your administration and customization, where you can get your main address book, where you can keep an overview over your contacts and organize them by assigning special names and much more. You have different security and privacy features which work great with your clients and different correspondents, and you also have great collaboration, you could say, features and setups. So yeah, those are like the features that it has in store for us. But you can also, like, if you go in the benefits section, here you can see in the benefits section, we can see that it's an outstanding device to work with because, first of all, it has great high frame rates. Enjoy a fluent on-screen experience if you were sitting directly in front of the remote device with 60 FPS on local networks and most other internet connections. Low latency. Near instant responses are essential when working on a remote desktop. That's why AnyDesk latency lies below 16 ms on local networks and is therefore not perceptible. And obviously, as you can see, you have efficient bandwidth use, you have highly innovative technology, you have quick start, and you have fail-safe Erlang network. Then obviously you have more superior performances. You can experience an almost invisible latency even at low bandwidth usage thanks to the industry-leading video codec Desk RT, and we can see it's trusted by over all these people. AnyDesk's performance in action, screen sharing from everywhere, fluent mobile device management, smooth remote work with unattended access, efficient remote printing, stable interactive access, lightning fast file transfer, and much more. So yeah, that's like most of the things that there are to discuss. Now basically that's pretty much it. If you want to know more about AnyDesk and how you can use it to basically help yourself when it comes to, you know, the whole desktop performance and, you know, the whole managing the clients and everything, then. So yeah, that's about it when it comes to AnyDesk and using it for, you know, your file-based and user management or something like that. And it, as you can see, it works great. It works amazingly and it works wonders. So I recommend that you just go ahead and start using it right away, because let me tell you that you are missing out. You are missing out on a great venture when it comes to the user management of AnyDesk. You can use my.anydesk 1 or my.anydesk 2. Both of them work great, and as you can see, it is trusted by one of the greatest industries there are out there, and it has a great wide range of users, so you know that it's extremely reasonable and it's extremely recommended, and it just works great. There's no security hazard, there's no privacy hazard, and I recommend that you start using it right away. But yeah, that's about it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to watch more videos like this, and if you have any issues with this video, let me know that as well in the comments below, and I'll fix it for you right away. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.